First, we need a clean work area to prepare the insulation. Sections should be butted tightly together. The insulation is held in place with bands, reinforced tape, or wire. Metal jacketing is applied and held temporarily with these straps overlapping the metal. Then the metal bands are applied. Elbows are available from the IIG factory or can be field mitered. For this demonstration, we are using a factory-made elbow. It comes in 2 pieces, is placed on the pipe, and secured with bands, wire, or reinforced tape. A metal fitting cover is then applied and banded.